Today I'm at Coed y Brenin, which is managed by Natural Resources Wales, and we're going out on the first 3 loops of the MinorTaur trail.
Because it's a mountain bike route, I'm using this, my recumbent hand cycle. On the trail there are several steep hairpin corners that are known as berms. You need to make sure that you and your equipment can get around them safely. The MinorTaur trail is broken into 3 loops, and at the end of each loop you come to this fire trail where you can cut back to the visitors centre should you wish to do so. But we're going to carry on and continue on the second loop.
The MinorTaur route crosses a road several times, and care should be taken at these points.
As you start loop 3 of the MinorTaur trail, it starts climbing significantly, and there are some technical uphill hairpins. I've now come to the end of the 3rd loop, and there is a 4th loop, but unfortunately for me it's beyond the capabilities of both myself and the equipment I'm using. So I'm going to head along the fire trail back to the visitors centre.
Much of the fire trail is a shared multi-user track, and consideration should be given to other people. Towards the end of the MinorTaur route there's a long climb, and on it there's a short trail called Hero's Return, but I stayed on the main track to get back to the visitors centre.